friends, so here is my Raspberry Pi 5 and I am looking for some image processing project or some kind of OpenCV or AI related project. So for that I want to buy some camera which is not so costly, because I'm not going to do some very hi-fi or very accurate precise things, just for testing. So in that case I was trying to look for Robo for this Raspberry Pi camera, and when I search for this, I see there are lots of options, but I was looking for a camera which is within some 3-digit number like 176, but this is not the camera, this is the lens. And there was some, but I was trying to look for a plug and play kind of USB camera. So this is a retractable camera. I was trying to check because they said it's compatible with Raspberry Pi, so I have purchased that, and here it is. I bought it from Robo only, and this one has this this kind of arrangement. You can pull it, and next time you pull and it will retract. So yeah, anyway, I will try to fit this. I'll try to fit this and see how it is working. Is it compatible or not? So connected. These things are coming. Okay, fine. Connected, and just for example, just for test, I will take this box. It will target this particular image. So once it works, we should supposed to see this Raspberry Pi image. And by the way, this is a manual focus thing, so you have to rotate this ring to focus. That we'll see in a moment. So let's try. So this is my Raspberry Pi connection, and this is the one. If I open the console, I have a Python virtual environment, so let me try to go there. So let's this camera is the one, so I will go to the camera and then bin, and then what's the name of that file? It's open camera. So I want to show you what's the code inside. So this is what I got from internet. Import CV2, the OpenCV one, and then the video capture. So I have only one camera attached with the Raspberry Pi, so that should be the index number 0, and then find out the width, height as usual, and then do the other stuff what we usually do. I'm not spending the time on this. Let's see how it goes. So clear. So the name is Open Camera, right? Open Camera Pi, ONC capital. Okay, fine. It's clear. And the Python and same open camera.py and enter. And here is the view from the camera. So it looks like it's a bit zoomed. Let me pull it out. But I want to show you that manual zooming thing. So let me focus on this. Oh, it's upside down, looks like. I'll put it this way, and yeah, now I will try to focus it by hand. So I will rotate that side, I think. Yes, done. So yeah, here it is. I think it's good enough, clear enough for a Python project to find out some object detection and all these kind of things. Thank you for watching.